The Information Technology Department at San Diego City College offers a range of programs designed to equip you with the skills needed in today's tech-driven world. Our department covers key areas such as cybersecurity, IT management, programming, software development, and office administrative courses. You'll gain hands-on experience with the latest technologies and software, preparing you for industry certifications and career advancement. With flexible certificate and degree programs, our graduates are ready to excel in various IT disciplines, meeting industry standards and requirements. Visit our website to learn more and enroll today. I look forward to supporting your IT journey. Come and visit us in our newly updated Business Technology building on campus.